to my channel. It's me Shuparna here. I hope you all guys are doing well. So in today's video I will talk about my daytime skincare routine. Recently I have purchased a lot of skincare products from Dot & Key range, and I have included all of them in my daytime skincare routine to get a glowy, healthy, poreless, spotless face. So today I thought to share that with you all. So without wasting more time, let's get started. So before moving on with the video, I would like to give you a brief about the brand Dot & Key. Dot & Key is an Indian brand. They make products with natural ingredients, and their products are free from all the nasty chemicals like parabens, sulfate, alcohol and cruelty, and their products are not at all animal tested, and also their products are dermatologically tested. So it's a big yay from my side. So the first product I will talk about is this one. This is Ultimate Spot Correcting 10% Niacinamide Serum. So this is the outer packaging. I do admire Dot & Key for their outer as well as their inner packaging. So it seems like a book to me, the way it opens, like it has a magnetic facility, I think. So once you open the outer packaging like this, on this side you will get all the product details and the usage and the benefits of the product, and here is your product itself. And the product itself comes with a dropper facility like this, and it also has 1% zinc in it, and vitamin E and B5 and glowing boosting formula like this. I really do like my serums to be in a dropper facility packaging so that it can maintain the hygiene of the product. I do love using this product, and it does not has any kind of fragrance in it, which I quite like about this product, and I have got some visible results. I have seen my pores to get minimized, and I have seen my pimple marks to fade away, and also it didn't break me out as I have oily sensitive skin. So it's a big yay from my side. So after using my niacinamide one, I prefer to use this one for my hydration and moisturization. This is their water drenched hydrating hyaluronic serum concentrate. It also has acai berry and Bulgarian rose in it. The outer packaging seems quite similar to the previous one. Once you open the box, you will get all the product details, usage and the benefits of the product right here. And here is my product. It also has vitamin C in it, and it is recommended to use twice a day. It has a mild, amazing fragrance in it, although the fragrance fades away within a minute or two, but I really love the Bulgarian rose fragrance in it. So the product consistency is a bit thicker than the niacinamide one, but it gets absorbed to my skin so nicely, and it doesn't make my skin feel oily, greasy at all, and it again doesn't break me out. And being from oily skin family, when a serum doesn't breaks me out and doesn't make my skin feel like greasy and sticky all day, it's a big here from my side. And to lock all the goodness of my niacinamide serum and hyaluronic acid serum, I prefer to use a moisturizer at last, and this is again from their Dot & Key 72-hour hydrating gel plus probiotics. Can you see the cutest outer packaging? I really love their packaging, and here it's their inner packaging of the product. How cute it is! And again it has that same Bulgarian rose fragrance, and it has a gel consistency, and actually I have used this quite a lot. You guys can see that. I really love using this product, and I do not just use this twice a day as it is recommended, but I also prefer to use this underneath my makeup so that it could moisturize and hydrate my skin, so that my skin looks glowy and healthy, that within wala glow which it provides. It nicely hydrates my skin without making it sticky and oily and all those bad stuffs. because being a oily girl person, I do not like my moisturizer to make my skin feel oily, sticky and greasy at all, but this is my absolute love because it gets absorbed to my skin so nicely and gives a nice glow, and also it hydrates my skin, and again it didn't break me out, so it suits me so nicely. You guys can see the glow on my face and I can actually die for that glow. I really love using those Dot & Key products. They actually have changed my entire skincare game, and I will highly recommend you guys to try these products out. I will mention all the product link in the description box below so that you guys can check them out. And I hope you guys liked this video and found this video helpful, and I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.